Welcome friends in my YouTube channel Easy Chemistry. My name is Dr. Sandeep Sharma and now today our topic is 12th Chemistry Unit 3 Electrochemistry. Now first of all we start here. Electrochemistry is the study of production of electricity from the energy released during the spontaneous chemical reaction and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation. So what do you understand about here? You can say the spontaneous and non-spontaneous reaction. First we explain you about the spontaneous as well as the non-spontaneous reaction. Next you can say when both of these conditions are met, the reaction occurs naturally. A spontaneous reaction is a reaction that favor the formation of product at the condition under which the reaction is occurred. And when in case of the non-spontaneous reaction is a reaction that do not favor the formation of the product at the given set of the condition. Or second definition, we also say that non-spontaneous reaction need an external energy to pump the reaction this directions. For example, वाटर है, वाटर विल बी रिमेन एज वाटर, जब तक उसको एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी नहीं देंगे तो वाटर वेपर में कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्ट. इसी तरह से फॉर एग्जांपल द रिएक्शन ऑफ द फोटोसिंथेसिस रिएक्शन सेम, जब तक सनलाइट नहीं होगी तो फोटोसिंथेसिस रिएक्शन कैरिड आउट नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं. A large number of metals, sodium hydroxide, chlorine, fluorine, and many other chemicals are produced by electrochemical method. Batteries and fuel cells convert the chemical energy into electric energy or the use at a large scale in the various instrument and device. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं. तो आपने देखा द रिएक्शन कैरिड आउट और इलेक्ट्रिकली कैन बी एनर्जी एफिशिएंट एंड लेस पॉल्यूटेड. देयरफॉर स्टडी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द creating new technology that are eco-friendly. Yes, it is the branch of chemistry which is eco-friendly. We easily use chemical energy for the transformation into electric energy. तो it is work as a eco-friendly. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ sensory signal throughout the cell to brain and vice versa, or the communication between the cells are known to have the electrochemical origin. तो जैसा हमारा बात कर लेते हैं ब्रेन के अंदर भी जो सिग्नल्स हैं उनमें भी इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री अप्लाई होती है. तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री इज द देयरफॉर ए वेरी वेस्ट एंड इंटरडिसिप्लिन सब्जेक्ट इन द यूनिट. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं electrochemical cell. It is very important. Electrochemical cell, you can see in 11th unit 8 we have studied the construction and function of the Daniell cell. Yes, function of the Daniell cells. You know, these cells convert the chemical energy liberated during the redox reaction. What do you mean by the redox reaction? With the help of this equation, it is the example of the redox reaction. First, zinc is oxidized to the Zn2 positive and its copper is reduced to copper. Copper 2 positive reduced to the copper. The process of oxidation as well as the reduction is the example of the redox reaction, or we can say it is the example of the redox couple. Oxidation process as well as the reduction process, you know very well. Addition of oxygen or removal of electron, you can see here removal of electron. Zinc converted to the Zn2 positive ion in aqueous form solid to the aqueous, then it is the example of the oxidation. Next देख लेते हैं. To electric energy and has an electric potential equal to the 1.1 volt. When the concentration of zinc positive and copper ions is a unity, 1 mole per decimeter cube, such a device is called the galvanic or voltaic cell. Yes, Daniell cells, when apply the electric potential is equal to 1.1 volt, then we can say it is known as the galvanic cell or voltaic cell, such type of the device. You can also see here, from here you can see it is a solution of containing salt of zinc and another solution, blue solution, light blue solution containing the copper sulfate solution. From here you can see that it is a anode zinc electrode, and from here is the cathode, it is a copper electrode, and it is a salt bridge. The role of the salt bridge is to interference the ion from one solution to the another solutions. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक. यस, जिंक फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी अप्लाई anode, we take anode, and from here right hand side is a cathode, copper cathode. First we start, you can see here, if an external opposite potential is applied for figure 3.2, you can see here, and increase the slope finding voltage. Let's we start from, you can see here, it is the figure of, you can see here, let's we take the example, you can see here. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बात कर लेते हैं जिंक एनोड एंड कॉपर कैथोड. द करंट फ्लो इज फ्रॉम कैथोड टू द एनोड डायरेक्शन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो जस्ट अपोजिट टू द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. If the external external value is lesser than 1.1 volt, then electron flow from anode to the cathode. It is a salt bridge. Now when external, you can see here, electron flow from zinc rod to the copper rod. Hence the current flow from copper to the zinc. Then we can say the zinc dissolve at anode and copper deposit at cathode. Cathode पर क्या हो जाएगा, हमारा कॉपर डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. If external electrode potential external value is less than 1.1 volt. Next you can also see here, next example, when E external is equal, there is no flow of current. You can also see here again, anode is actually in internal form, anode is a positive nature but attached with the negative, and from cathode is internally, cathode is a negative nature but current is added from here, you can see here positive. Next बात करते हैं, you can see here, when external force is equal, then we can say that there is no flow of the electrons or current, no chemical reaction. Next example, the third example you can also see here. Yes, when E external value is higher as 1.1 volt, then cathode is positive zinc and anode is negative. It is just reverse equation. Then current will be opposite direction, from current flow from cathode to the anode, and we apply here cathode from the left hand side, but generally we use the formula LOAN. Lone means left hand side oxidation anode and negative charge. Yes, it is a short trick to know about the lone, left hand side oxidation anode negative. Next you can also see here, when electron flow from copper to the zinc and current flow from zinc to the copper, then it is just reverse. From the example first, zinc is deposit at the zinc electrode and copper is dissolved at the copper electrode. Next देख लेते हैं, you can see here, in Daniell cell, discussed earlier, in the such cells is the following redox couple. Redox couple means as well as the oxidation and as well as the reduction half, both reaction are takes place. You can see here both example, reduction half and oxidation half reaction. Next, these reaction different portion of the Daniell cells, the reduction half occurs on the copper electrode while the oxidation half occurs in the zinc electrode, and इसको हम बोलते हैं then these two portion of the cells also called the half cell reaction और redox couple. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट में, इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. डू यू नो अंडरस्टैंड electrode potential difference developed between the electrode and the electrolyte, which is called the electropotential. When the concentration of all the species involved in the half cell unity, then the electrode potential is known as the standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential means 25 Celsius temperature and 1 bar pressure. And you know, actually, suppose that electrode, you can say electrode dipped in a electrolyte solution, then interference between electrode and electrolyte solution, exchange of ion and liberation and deposition, that is known as the electrode potential. For single, suppose that if we take the single, then we can say it is a single electrode potential. Next, you can see here, according to the IUPAC convention. IUPAC means the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry stand for the reduction potential are also now called the standard electrode potential. In the galvanic cell, the half cell in which oxidation takes place is called the anode and reduction takes place called the cathode. You can see here again, the potential difference between the two electrode of galvanic cell is called the cell potential, and it is measured in a volt. Yes, next बात कर लेते हैं, the cell potential is difference between the electrode potential, reduction potential of the cathode and anode. It is called the cell electromotive force. It is also known as the EMF, electromotive force of the cell when no current is drawn throughout the cell. Next बात कर लेते हैं, this is the very essential formula for the calculation of the potential difference as well as the electrode potential. Cell equals होता है right minus left, or we also can say that cathode minus anode, or left hand right hand side means the reduction minus oxidation. Next, cell reaction of copper and 2Ag positive, then copper 2 positive and Ag 2 positive. Half cell reaction cathode as well as the anode. You can also see a measurement of the electrode potential. It is very important topic, measurement of electrode potential. The potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. Yes, actually we cannot measure a single electrode potential. With the help of any other electrode potential, we measure the cell potential. So we can see here. Yes, next you can also see here, when we can measure only the difference between the two half cell potential, that given the EMF of the cell, we arbitrarily choose the potential of one electrode half. Yes, one electrode को half choose कर लेते हैं. Yes, तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, according to the convention of the half cell called the standard hydrogen electrode, represented, you can see here represented, the PT is the pure condition में होता है, इसलिए फ्री स्टेट में पाया जाता, अनरिएक्टिव है, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज में लोअर है. देन वी यूज प्लेटिनम metal is the hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen, it is assigned as the zero potential at all temperature corresponding to the reaction. It is a very essential equation. Yes, you also can see here, this mark represent as a salt bridge. At 298 Kelvin, the EMF of cell standard, you can see here, At 298 Kelvin EM of the cell stand for the hydrogen electrode and a half cell constructed by taking the standard hydrogen electrode as anode, reference half cell, and the other half cell as cathode. Given the reduction potential, यहाँ पर you can also see here, यहाँ पे H2, यहाँ पर platinum finally divided प्लेटिनम कोटेड प्लेटिनम फॉइल, यहाँ पर ये एडजस्ट किया हुआ है 0.1 m मोलैरिटी of H positive ion. You can see hydrogen gas is at 1 bar pressure. It is a term and conditions for the standard electrode potential. तो with the help of the standard value, hydrogen electrode potential value E standard potential standard mark को represent करते हैं इस तरह से, will be equal to the 0. With the help of these we easily identify the cell potential. Standard hydrogen electrode potential also represent the SHE. SHE. Now E shall standard marks you equal to stand for the electrode potential. E right, we apply here the formula, you can see here standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential of cell is equal to हो जाएगा standard potential of reduction and minus oxidation. For as EL of the stand for the hydrogen electrode, then putting the value of hydrogen electrode potential is 0, then we obtain the electrode potential of a given cell, maybe copper, maybe zinc. Next बात कर लेते हैं the reverse process. Yes, the reverse process cannot occur at the hydrogen ion cannot oxidize copper, or alternatively we can say that hydrogen gas can reduce copper ions under the standard condition considerably above. Next बात कर लेते हैं, you can also see here EMF electric motive force for the zinc and copper. With the help of the formula E shall electrode potential E right minus E left, with the help of the table of electrochemical series we put the value of copper as well as the zinc and we obtain the 1.10 volt. Next बात कर लेते हैं bromine and others electrode potential we easily find out. Next बात कर लेते हैं question, how would you determine the standard electrode potential of the system of Mg positive to cell mark Mg? It represents the electrode of magnesium metal. Yes, with the help of the hydrogen electrode potential we easily measure the value of cell potential. We easily find out the cell potential value. Next बात कर लेते हैं second question, very important question. You can see here, can you store, yes you can you store copper sulfate solution in a zinc pot? No, we cannot unable to store copper sulfate solution in a zinc pot. The reason is that you can see here, you can also see here it is a electrochemical series and copper is present, zinc is here. Yes, you can see here zinc is here and copper is you can see here copper is upper from the series. So that's why you can see here copper is highly reactive and it displays to the zinc is highly reactive and zinc displays to the you can store the copper sulfate solution in a zinc pot. No, zinc is highly reactive and it is displaced to the copper sulfate solution. नेक्स्ट इससे रिलेटेड बातें हम नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन को हम इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट फॉर द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग अस.